What's up guys, this is Ron from Ronan. So what we have here is the second time that we purchase from Rapu. So this is the power bank na 20,000? Yes, 20,000 milliampere mAh na power bank. So kaya kami bumili ng second power bank kasi nag-aagawan kami ng wife doon sa first power bank namin. So the one that we purchased is color white. Right now, bumili kami ng color black. Nagamitin na naman niya lahat ng power banks. So, hindi kasi marunong mag-charge yun eh. So, this is the color black. Without further ado, let's unbox this. So, by far, ito yung pinaka-favorite na power bank ko namin na ginagamit. Kasi meron na siyang connectors, cords, so hindi mo na kailangan magdala. And sobrang reliable. I mean, talagang 20,000 milliampere and fast charging pa siya. Take note. So yan, no, sobrang sealed pa yan. So kailangan pa i-cut. The details are here. Wala yung cutter ko. I have here Type-C na connector. Maraming power bank kami na gamit before. Nakalagay 30,000 pero ang gaan. So this is the beauty of it. Yung weight niya is talagang sakto dun sa 20,000 milliampere niya. Look at the design. Sobrang slick. Ganda, no? Look. Oh, grabe. Parang Batman. So, ito yung maganda dyan. Meron siyang Type-C. Here, ginagamit namin. And then, meron na siyang lightning sa ilalim. Meron kang pang charge, which is ito. So, kailangan mo lang adapter. Charge mo yan. Tapos, pwede rin. Ito naman gamit mo kung masyadong naiiksian ka with this one. This is the power on sa left side. Yan. So, right now, we have 77%. Sobrang fast charging nito. To be honest, meron siyang parang naka-color green dito. Malalaman mo na yung gamit mong connector is fast charging. So, tara, try natin. Tanggalin mo lang. And then, connect mo lang. So, this is my phone. Yun. Grabe. So, ito yung ginagamit natin madalas yan. May parang siyang fast charging here. Kapag wala yung color green yan, meaning yung connector mo or yung cord, hindi siya fast charger kasi may mga wattage or may mga amperes itong mga chargers natin. So, you have to invest kapag hindi ka mag-charge ito directly. So, let me know guys sa comment kung ano yung, what do you think with this product and if it is really worth it. But for us, sa amin ni wife, talagang worth it itong Rapu. Lalo na to. Sobrang ganda ng design. Bagay na bagay sa phone ko.